Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. In this episode, I have a 18th century Ottoman recipe for you, which is a Tavuk Kirma Kebabı or chicken Kirma Kebab. It has simple ingredients, easy to find, but the techniques and combinations of the ingredients makes a special menu to enjoy. So let's get started. To a white pan which is heating, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons butter. The recipe calls for 100 grams, but I wanted to use a little bit less. It's your choice. And after my butter is melted and coming a nice smell, a nutty smell, I'm adding my chickens. I'm using a drumstick and thigh parts of the chicken with bones on. You can use boneless chicken, but it is preferable and better if you use the skin on chickens for this recipe. I'm closing the lid for a while because the oil is splattered. And I'm going to fry my chicken until I have nice golden color on both sides. And this is the first step of making this delicious recipe, which is frying the chickens in butter. Now within 5 minutes I begin to have nice colors on the chicken, but they still have to cook, and in the halfway I'm adding the onions. I'm using pearl onions or baby onions for this recipe, but you can also use 2 medium-sized onion and cut it in wedges for the recipe. Meanwhile, on the back, I'm making bulgur pilav or rice. I'm definitely gonna share. Basically, it has one big onion fried in olive oil, and after that I added 2 cups of coarse bulgur wheat along with 1 teaspoon each tomato and red pepper paste, and continue to fry. Added hot water. For 1 cup of bulgur wheat, I add 2 cups of hot water or chicken stock if you want to add. And I lower the heat, continue to cook until bulgur wheat soaks all the water and soft. Let's check the chickens. I continue to fry them with the onions, and I'm gonna add extra heat. For that I have a small hot red peppers. They are dried. I'm adding half of it along with freshly grounded black pepper and salt. And I'm also adding about half teaspoon cumin. Now they are more than halfway cooked. I'm adding less than 1 cup hot water, drizzling some of it over the chicken so the spices go mixed together until chickens are soft inside. About 20 more minutes. It can change, depends on the chicken. If your chickens are from village side, organic, of course it will take more. And I wanted to add some of the delicious chicken stock, the juice of the chicken Kirma Kebab, to my bulgur pilav, which will give an extra taste. Make sure you use all of the juice. After you finish the chicken, you can add it to your soups or pilav as I did. Before I'm gonna serve, I let the dishes rest for 15 minutes. This way it will help to set the flavors and in a reasonable temperature to eat. And here is the final part. I'm gonna serve it to my plates. It is for you guys. Usually I just put it straight to the plates for us to enjoy. The serving plate on the front is handmade from the years I was living in New York, and on the back the plate is from the dining ware from my mom. She gave me, and it is also very old, from Germany. We used to live there when I was a child a long time ago. Sprinkling some chopped parsley for an extra look and taste. And this is really a coincidence, my friends. I wasn't going to talk about the memories of the plates, but the kitchen towel I used here for filming is from 1972, which I found it on a street bazaar in Fatih Çarşamba, and those are the years my family was in Germany. So I also made this vegetable winter soup, which I shared in the previous episode, and completed my menu. I hope you give it a try, this 18th century Ottoman dish, Tavuk Kirma Kebab. You can share your photos with me from my Instagram account, Turkish Food Recipes, and please leave your comments too. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.